Alright guys, here we go again. Max! Come into my video. You Jamaican, right?
Yeah.
What's this?
Mackerel? What the? Yeah.
So, alright. What's the nickname for this in Jamaica? What they call it in Jamaica?
Salt. Right? Is it?
No. Try again.
I don't know.
This, my first meal or fish I ever cook. This. It's a dirty gyal.
Yeah.
It's a dirty gyal.
Flush out.
Dirty gyal.
Dirty gyal.
It's a flash out.
Flush out.
Yeah. Tin mackerel.
Tin mackerel.
It's a tin boom.
Tin boom.
Tin boom.
Tin boom.
Let's get into the video, guys. These are all the ingredients right here. The plantain, let's get it peeled and soak in some water with a little bit of all-purpose season, a dash of salt. It's optional, you don't have to soak it in any water. I just like it when I put it in the water. You give it a more fluffier fry to it. But as I said, it's optional. So let's get the plantain cut in whatever size you choose. Then remove it from the water. Make sure you get the water off. Don't burn yourself. Then we're gonna preheat the oil. And then we're gonna fry until it's slightly golden. Then remove. Then we're gonna crush it so we get a more crispier texture. Now we're gonna cut the season we're gonna use for the tin mackerel. This is basically a breakfast menu. We're gonna cut the tomatoes, the onions, the bell peppers for the mackerel. Comments down below, guys, and tell me what you call it. So these are for the tin mackerel. So meanwhile the plantain is frying, we're gonna have the tin mackerel or the tin boom over the next side cooking. So everything ready one time. You can have a tin mackerel with either dumpling, bread, whichever you prefer. Hope you like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Now we're here at the frying stage, getting the plantain crushed and fry again for the last time on both sides until golden and crispy. We're at the end of the video. Hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned for the next one. The one with the oxtail is from Max. Max does not eat tin mackerel. Half I'm live gone.